Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to construct a RoBuggi as a part of Qurio REaCH constructions. In our first step, we are going to take two C plates, and on each C plate, we are going to attach a flat rotator using a 0.5 inch bolt and nut so that we create holes. Then we are going to join these two C plates using a square plate and 4 nuts and bolts. This will call as assembly A. We will take a square plate and join one L connector on the left hand side, one L connector on the right hand side using one 0.5 inch bolt and nut each. This will call assembly B. Now we'll take assembly A and we'll connect two double bars, one on this side using two nut bolts here and one on the other side using two more nut bolts. It will be connected to the C plate of this assembly A. And on top we will attach assembly B to these two double bars using one nut bolt here and one on this side. That completes step 4. We'll move on to step 5 then. In step 5, we have attached a DC motor using a motor shaft, and we have placed one spacer onto the motor shaft. Observe that the motor is attached in a slanted way. We have also attached one big axle through this C plate and it comes out through the other C plate. And on each side we have placed one spacer onto the axle. Now onto the motor shaft we have attached the big gear and secured in place using a shaft lock. Onto the axle we have attached gear medium. Now after the gear medium we will put one wheel and one shaft lock. The shaft lock will secure the wheel at the position. On other side also we will use a wheel and a shaft lock, but we will also attach one spacer, extra spacer, because we have attached a medium gear here. To have the same amount of space, instead of medium gear here we will attach a spacer to create that space. Then we'll put a wheel and secure it using a shaft lock. In the front, through the two holes which we had created, we will insert medium axle and we will put an axle lock on both sides, and in middle we are going to put one wheel. And to ensure that the wheel is secured in place, on both sides of the wheel we are going to put one shaft lock each, so that the wheel does not move here and there, it stays at one place. And that completes our RoBuggi. Connect your remote to the motor and you will be able to move the RoBuggi forward and reverse. Do write about your experiences of making RoBuggi in the comment section.